Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how you could restore and encourage internal and external rotation into your hips by doing adductor rocking. So adductor rocking is rocking back and forth here. You got one leg out, and this is fantastic for finding your growing muscles or your adductors. Helps lengthen and stretch out your adductors, and it's dynamic, so you're not doing a static stretch, but a moving in and out stretch. Feels amazing, by the way. But we can also use this position and this motion to encourage internal and external rotation. And I'm going to show you, well, just follow along. So what we're going to do is, as I rock forward, I'm going to look to the left with my eyes and head, and I'm going to allow my foot to pivot with my body, and that's internal rotation. And then I'm going to come back to you and rock back, so I can go into internal rotation as I rock. And I'm using my eyes and head to facilitate the whole rotational pattern. You can do it without, however, the body is designed to follow the head, and the head is designed to follow the eyes. So if you can put more juice into the system, you get more information into the system, things just tend to work really, really well together. Now, that's internal rotation. If I want external rotation, I can rock back and look to the right and let my hip externally rotate to the right. And then I can come forward, rock back, come forward, rock back. So if you were gonna blend it, you don't have to put them together, but if you wanted to put them together, it would be rock forward, look to the left, rock back, look to the right, rock forward, look to the left, rock back, look to the right. And you can see the foot is moving, and again, you don't have to do the rotation with your eyes and head, but the foot is moving in and out of internal and external rotation. And that feels really good right in here. And your hips are made to internally, externally rotate, and if they're moving the way they're designed to move, chances are the rest of you is also moving the way it is designed to move. Your shoulders are probably gonna move a lot better. Your hips are gonna feel a lot better. Even your knees could feel so much better. So give that a shot, adductor rocking with internal and external rotation. All right, let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.